Want to play Minecraft in full VR on your PC? Here's how to enable VR mode step by step. First, make sure your VR headset like Oculus Quest or HTC Vive is properly connected to your PC through the app. Now, open your Minecraft launcher and confirm you're running the latest version of Minecraft Java or Bedrock. For Bedrock Edition, download Minecraft for Windows with VR support. For Java, install the Vivcraft mode to enable VR mode. Now, launch Minecraft, go to Settings, and look for the VR toggle option. Turn it on to activate VR mode. Calibrate your VR controller inside the game menu so movement and interactions feel smooth. Set your graphic and render distance lower if performance drops, ensuring smooth VR gameplay. And that's it. You're now ready to explore Minecraft in immersive VR mode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.